And it's not just Twitter they're going against. How about Snap? Snapchat shares down 25%. Incredibly challenging conditions, according to Snap. Advertisers continue to face supply chain disruptions and labor shortages, and many others are contending with rising costs amid record inflation, which led to cutbacks in spending on advertising. Oh, is this going to be a topic for us for like a year now? Is that what we're going to talk about?
They got the money.
Maybe. I think there's more to the story, though, and I think that this Apple move is a big part to play because these companies relied big time on this targeting stuff, and everybody opted out all at once when Apple put the deal in. And that group, they were the spenders. And Zuckerberg sitting there like, holy, where's my metaverse? And Snap guys like challenging times, challenging conditions, even though their user base went up. And when we talk about user base, how about this? For a guy like you, Will, who doesn't snap, you're doing no snapping. Daily active users on Snapchat rose 18% year over year to 347 million, beating consensus estimates of 344. Users go up, revenue goes down. Advertisers, challenging economic times. But let's compare that to Twitter, and you say to yourself, well, Twitter feels like a big deal, doesn't it? 237 compared to 347. That's 100 million extra users over there on Snap.
Wow.
Snapping about.
I never knew.
You're in the wrong place, Will.
Clearly.
You best get Snap. Anyway. Obviously, other places like Google and YouTube and where we happen to be, a little bit different model. You got your data already. They don't necessarily need to dive right in or have Apple's approval, although I guess Apple users could restrict what Google's capable of, but chances are you have these other services anyways. You're on the Gmails. You have the YouTube account. You have your browsing history. They learn about you based on your behaviors. And the targeting is different. The content is different. Everything is different. Will it be immune as far as the crypto winters and such, and the advertising winter and the social media winter? I don't know. Will we be immune? I don't know.
Oh, don't say that.
Will we continue to have fancy sushi dinners? I don't know.
Let's keep working.
No, we'll be. Listen. With this community right here, we'll be all set.
Okay.
No problemo. I got no concerns, Will.
All right.
There's only one community like this one.
Yeah.
Later community. Shout out to everybody over there.